So, hello everybody. How are you doing? I'm gonna be making another update in Casa Fresca. This is update number, I don't know. I'll just put it in the title. So today is Saturday, May 11. Update. So far, this is what happened now. They're now starting to put backfill, and we are also going to put backfill in this area here. This is too deep. Like, I don't know if you can say, I don't know if you can tell, but we're going to, next week we're gonna level this area here. This is gonna be a driveway from this gate going to the front, or like, that's gonna be our front because that's where the swimming pool is. But the entrance of the house will be here. If you want to park the truck, if you want to bring a truck, entrance will be here. And then this one will be an alternative area where you can park more up there outside, the other side. For now, they put backfill. Yeah? And let's go inside. So there are still a lot of place here that needs to be filled up, like this one here. See, and men are still working for the backfill. And then over there with oops, daghan pa di kayo. Wah! Gawas. Abog. Okay. And then those guys, those guys up there, they're making I don't know if, should I make now? Okay, they're making a roof for the storage down there. That's gonna be a storage. And wala pa na siya na backfillan dari di ay. Lah, kadako pa di ay trabahoon. Nao. Okay. Let's go there. The other side. Okay, para makuan sila. Okay, today is, I don't know if you can see my watch, May 11. There you go, May 11. Saturday, May 11, 2 p.m. In an hour from now, these guys will leave the property. And then we're gonna use this soil for backfill also. We're gonna use that soil for backfill, and then we're gonna bring you to our alternative water storage. This is going to be our alternative water storage since we're not gonna use the septic tank yet. And this is going to be the septic tank for the main house, because we have 4 comfort room in the main house, like 3 comfort room. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, and 3 bedrooms have comfort room, like toilet and bath. So this is gonna be the septic tank for the main house, and the other one will be the septic tank for the swimming pool, the drainage. But for now, we're going to store water here, and I don't think we have more water. See, there's no water coming out from, I think there is, but not so much. I don't know if you can see the water pipe, but yeah. And then let's go up there. They filed all the woods, they're gonna reuse it. This one is a temporary storage for like waste storage for that comfort room. It's all clean now. And this one, we're gonna use that also for the backfill. See, it's all clean up here. No more big stones, only this one. They're gonna use the breaker for that. For this one used to be big stones. Now everything's good. No more stones up there. It's all cleared up. And then maybe I'm gonna tell the backhoe to remove this dead tree. I'm gonna put that one up there and burn it. So by next week, I'll expect this area to be all clean and leveled up to that fence up there, like the gate, the opening of the fence. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. We're not even done filling up the backfill yet, but almost there. I need to make everything ready also before I go to US to help Robert. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.